Task templates can be created for, but are not limited to, new builds, renovations, smaller jobs like decks and retaining walls, and variations. You can generate your tasks from your estimate and nest them together to create subtasks. Within a project, select Tasks on the left-hand side. Then select Add Tasks from Template. Select the drop-down option to give you 3 preloaded task templates you can use. Alternatively, you can select the Add New Template button to add one manually. Name your template. Add in your tasks. You can also create subtasks. Once completed, click Save Template. To add the newly created template to your project, click Add Tasks from Template. Your template tasks can be combined with other tasks generated from your estimate. To import a template, select Add Tasks from Template. Select your template from the drop-down menu. Change the name of your template if required. You may also add any additional tasks or subtasks to your template before importing. When you're finished, select Add Tasks from Template. Your imported template will now show in Tasks.